Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find property comparables on Propwire. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to run comparables or see comparables using Propwire. Propwire is free to use to start off with, and this is what I've been using. But either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, first, when we log on to Propwire, let's just enter a dummy address right over here. So we'll just enter 97217 for Oregon, I believe. Yes, Oregon. And so once you select the address, city, county, or zip code, a list of homes are going to appear here. Now, keep in mind that when running comparables, homes that are closer to the freeway, which is this freeway right over here, are going to be more affordable compared to homes that are away from the freeway. Now, with this example, what we're going to do is that we're going to set some filters in order to run a comparable. But with that, in order to do it, I select I select lead types. And then I scroll down and click on MLS sold. The next thing that I'll do is I'll click on more and then click on property filters. Now, this is where you want to make your property align closely with what you're looking for. So if it's a single family home, you want to select single family home. If it's a condo or townhouse, you want to make sure that you select a condo or townhouse. So we're going to select single family home. And then for the number of bedrooms, we're going to do a 3+ and 2+ bathroom. Again, this also aligns with the property that you have that you're trying to run a comparable for. Now, for building size in square feet, I normally go plus or minus 300. So if it's a 1,500 square foot, let's say it's a 2,000 square foot home, I'll set this to 2,300 square feet. Now, some people like to filter it by lot size and year built. Things to consider is that if your home was built in 2023 and down the street is a home that was built in the 50s, there's going to be a different comparable. So if this matters to you and you know that in your area there's homes built from all sorts of years and all sorts of ages, this is something that you might want to consider. For lot size, I normally go plus or minus 3,000 for the lot size, but I'll just leave it blank for this example. So afterwards, we'll click on save and close, and you'll see that we got 41 search results. So this is where you're going to look at the search results and see how much it was selling per square feet, what their actual sold price was. And you want to keep in mind of any outliers so that you get a good idea of actually how to run this comparable and such. But here we have 460, 300, which is kind of like an outlier, 500, 440, 280. You also want to keep in mind whether or not it's located right over here, which is away from the freeway, or if the home is located right next to the freeway. But even so, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and run a comparable on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.